You've got a page that almost ranks for a cluster of questions, but it never quite says the words people search. The old fix was keyword stuffing, which AI engines now punish. Keyword Optimize does the opposite. It works the missing terms into the page where they genuinely fit, in real sentences, and then it shows you exactly what it changed. It starts with a cluster of related keywords for one page, the questions and phrasings that belong together. You point it at the page, you want to win those terms, and you ask it to optimize. This is targeted surgery on one page, not a site-wide blast. Then it reads the page and integrates the keywords the way a careful editor would, into existing sentences, into a heading where it makes sense, as a new line only where the flow allows. It's anchored to your real content, so it adds the term without breaking the voice or the meaning. The goal is a page that reads exactly as well as before, and now answers the questions it was missing. And here's the part that earns the trust. When it's done, it gives you a report. Which keywords it integrated, where in the page each one landed, and which ones it couldn't fit without forcing them, so it left them out. You see the work. Nothing happens to your page that you can't see and check. Doing this by hand means rereading the page, finding the gaps, and rewriting without wrecking the flow for every page and every cluster. Keyword Optimize does that pass in seconds and hands you the diff. You stay the editor, it does the tedious part. Keyword Optimize is part of AEO God Mode Pro, and the whole thing starts free. Search AEO God Mode under Add New Plugins, install the free plugin, get your structure right, then upgrade when you want the AI tools that rewrite and optimize at scale. No card to start. Begin at aeogodmode.io.